Alright, so in this video we are using a protractor to find angle measures. So in the puzzle video you watched, you learned how to use a protractor. If you're still confused on how to use a protractor, I recommend going back and re-watching that video. So we need to use a protractor to find the measure of each of these angles, and then we need to classify each angle as acute, right, or obtuse. Remember, acute angles are less than 90 degrees, right angles are equal to 90 degrees, and obtuse angles are more than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. So first let's look at angle VXW. This tells us we need to find the measure of angle VXW. That's what that little M means. It means find the measure of. So we're going to look at angle VXW here. It's highlighted in yellow. It's going to be an acute angle. We can tell because it's small, it's tiny. Then we use the protractor to measure the degrees. Remember, your bottom ray here that's on the baseline of the protractor, whichever way that ray points, that shows you where you're going to start. We're going to start from 0 over here to the right. And we're going to use the inner scale because it makes sense to count 0, 10, 20, 30. It doesn't make sense to use the outer scale and count 0, 170, 160, 150, etc. So we're using the inner scale. We find that the measure of that angle is 15 degrees and it is an acute angle. Make sure you put the degree symbol there. The degree symbol is important. All right, next we want to find the measure of angle TXW. So I'm going to highlight it in green. TXW. Just by looking, we know it's going to be obtuse. It's bigger than 90 degrees. That is a wide angle. We read the protractor, see how many degrees is it? 115. So the measure of angle TXW is 115 degrees, and angle TXW is an obtuse angle. Finally, the last one, we need to find the measure of angle RXU. So let's highlight it on our picture. RXU. This one, we have another obtuse angle because look, it's big, it's wide. It's a little confusing here because instead of our ray that's on the baseline, instead of pointing to the right, this is pointing to the left. So you just have to pay attention and make sure you're using the correct scale on the protractor. So when you do that, you get that the measure of angle RXU is 110 degrees and that RXU is an obtuse angle.